Okay, 4.1, first lesson is called Solve by Isolation. So in considering isolation means that you have to get it alone, isolate something, get it alone. Okay, so here's example 1. Okay, so to get this alone, algebraically I need to get rid of what it's with. So I need to add 49. Then to get x alone, what is it going on? It's being squared, so I need to square root it. Now, here's what you need to consider. The x could be a 7 or a negative 7. Think about your previous statement. 7 squared could be 49, or negative 7 could be 49. Okay, your calculator will only give you the positive one, so be smarter than your calculator. Okay, x squared plus 81 equals 0. So in this one, to get x squared alone, I would have to subtract 81. X squared is negative 81. Now to get x alone, I would have to square root it. But I'm running into a problem. You should know something about this. You cannot square root a negative. You can try it in your calculator, you'll get an error. The reason is 2 positive numbers times itself is positive. 2 negative numbers times itself is positive. There's no way to get a negative value there. Okay, example 3. 2b squared minus 5 over 3 equals 9. Okay, so here, algebraically I have to get rid of that first. So times by 3. 2b squared minus 5 is now 27. Next, algebraically, I'd add 5. 2b squared is 32. Divide out the 2. b squared is 16. Get rid of the square. So b is plus or minus 4. Okay, last example. I just want to make a special note about communicating here. On this last example, x squared minus 22 is 0. You would add 22. X squared is 22, and then to isolate you would square root. Now, thinking about your calculator, I know you're going to go in there and want to do this, and that's what it equals. Okay, we're going to keep it as an exact value, so we're not going to write this out. We're going to say that the answer is plus or minus the square root of 22, and I want you to leave it like that so that it is an exact solution.